not for him the warm comfort of an office. He prefers the freezing landscape of Greenland, where he analyzes chemicals in the ice. The magic of ice cores is that they've built up over the years, each layer preserving precise evidence of past climates.
If we walked outside right now, we'd be able to tell that it was cloudy, we would be able to tell that it was cool, and that there wasn't a great deal of wind. But we wouldn't know about the greenhouse gas content, we wouldn't know if it was stormy out in the oceans, we wouldn't be able to tell as richly what we can tell from the ice core record going back through time. And that's a pretty odd thought when you think about it. We've captured something that's almost better at telling us about the past than we're able to tell by going out sniffing the air outside.
Paul has constructed a uniquely accurate history of global weather from his ice cores. When he heard about Dick's drought theory, he decided to check his cores for the 9th century. Would Paul be able to find evidence of any dramatic climate change in the northern hemisphere?
First thing that we looked at was our record of ammonium. And ammonium is a chemical that gets up into the atmosphere, which tells us whether or not there was a lot of vegetation in the northern hemisphere. If there's a lot of vegetation, one assumes it was probably warm and wet. Low amounts, that it was probably drought conditions, that there weren't a lot of plants, the soils had probably dried up.
When he looked at the ice that was 1,200 years old, he was stunned.
We found that there was a tremendous drop in ammonium. They, in fact, had probably not experienced a drought like this going back 2, maybe 3,000 years.
The ice cores confirmed Dick's hunch. At exactly the time of the Maya collapse, it was dry and cold across the northern hemisphere, the very conditions that would also mean drought in the lands of the Maya.